Hey there, today I will show you on how to add Shoppay in Shopify, and here is how. First things first, head over to the Settings tab and then click on Payments. Now, depending on your region, the Shopify payment option might not be readily available. If you encounter this issue, do not worry. Simply navigate to Store Details, proceed to Billing Info, and switch your region to either the United States or the United Kingdom. This ensures a smoother process. Once you have made the region switch, you will now have access to Shopify payments. Click on Activate Shopify payments to proceed. Follow the prompts to set up your payment details. Make sure to enter accurate information, including your address, date of birth, and industry details. This ensures a seamless verification process. After submitting your details, it is time for verification. Double check that all information is correct to avoid any issues. You may be prompted to provide additional documents for verification. Once verified, proceed to enter your bank account information for payouts. Now, let us add ShopPay as one of our payment options. Within Shopify Payments, select Manage to integrate it into your store. And once there, you can uncheck or check ShopPay. Click Save, then you are done. And there you have it. And that is how to add ShopPay in Shopify.